are these going to be all uptight?
No, Spencer, I mean, down there. I know what you said, you're stung to death.
Wow.
It's a lot of bees. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness.
If he gets out of that without getting stung once, I'll be amazed.
How many times have you been stung?
Today? No.
In It's good. So you're pretty sure the queen's in that mix?
I'm hoping so.
Because they aren't cheap.
Right, the queens are the expensive ones, and now you have to be careful not to crush any to get the dead bee smell, right?
Well, if you kill one or two, that's not going to make a difference. I mean, if you got a hive of like 100,000 bees,
Uh-oh.
3 or 4 bees isn't going to do much, even 20 might have affected. I'm moving my camera around so I can get all of these mad bees.
So you just opened one hole in the end of the hive for them to enter and exit?
Well, hopefully they enter, and then I'm going to try to
Plug it up?
plug it up when most of them get in there. And then I still got it screened on the bottom so they can go to the bottom. And then after a couple of days I'll open it up.
And you already put your food in there. Your food source is there already.
Yeah, so they're pretty good. The hard part is getting them to stay. Or is that the easy part? Which is easier, getting them to stay or catching them?
Getting them to stay.
Yeah, that's a stupid question.